Morning, guys, and it's Sunday, and I'm here to make my cup of tea. I guess we need to add some more milk. Let's slow down the chimney a bit. Too much of noise, too much of noise. It's Sunday, and I've been assigned the duty to, make tea. So I'm gonna make tea, and then we're gonna get ready, and then we are going for some outing. See you guys in a bit. Well, guys, now it's time to get this thing back into the fridge. Two white cups. One more cup. Well, guys, it's time to take the cup of tea. Guys, where do you want to have the tea? Okay, let's go to the mom dad's room. Add some sugar, some brown sugar, shakkar. Skills, guys, these are called skills. Our PM used to make chai, so I am also making chai. Here's my lovely cup of tea and brilliant weather outside. It's not too sunny today, and probably I'll plan a outing today. Let's see what we do today. Me and Noora are ready. Noora, so you ready? So where are we going? You don't know?
No.
Say something.
Going for a outing.
Oh, we are going for outing. Okay, great, great. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Shoo! Here I am with my partner. And my partner is busy in trying to tie the seatbelt. Partner, here you go. Normally I don't give cold drink to babies, but today is like 1 odd day. We can 1 or 2 sips of limca you can enjoy. So what do you want to say? Like, oh, yeah. You're looking better like this. Yeah. So let's go. Shall we? Sunday. Full vlog today. We are doing what?
It's Sunday. We are gonna enjoy today.
Okay, let's go. Let's enjoy. Let's find where Dr. Supdeep is.
Okay.
And we are what? What? Say again.
We are doing a mission.
We are doing a mission. Okay, let's be on the mission. So after so many short vlogs, finally we are making a Sunday full vlog. So time to reach our destination, and hope you guys, everyone is doing good, great. It's Sunday, guys, and it's time to have some family time, enjoy with Noora. There she is, and my job is to obviously concentrate on the road and just be safe, guys, and always wear seat belts. Now we have to go back. We have taken a U-turn as we were not updated with the current situation.
Nonsense!
Nonsense, why? What happened?
No.
Noora, now we are getting late.
Yes.
Will you tell why are we late?
We came back
To pick.
Tejas Bhaiya and Pinder Bhaiya.
Oh my god. What can we do? अब क्या कर सकते हैं? There was no other option, Noora. Oh, we forgot the microphone. I mean, the mic.
Oh shit.
Where is Tejas Bhaiya, Pinder Bhaiya? I don't want to go inside, but let us hope we'll pick them up on our way
Scorpio.
before we on the Scorpio, and before we reach
Banana.
their home. वरना
Journeyman, मैं आपको एक डरावनी बात बताना चाहती हूँ.
I don't know how they came and where they came from, but they are here.
Hello guys,
Hello guys, it's time. It's Sunday,
I was riding pretty
and you are ready. It's time to listen to some favorite songs. The legend, none other than Sidhu Moosewala.
सीट बेल्ट उतार दो ना मेरी माँ. सीट बेल्ट उतार दे. अच्छा आता तो सीट.
Finally, after half an hour of drive, we have finally managed to reach a place. Very beautiful scenery. We have finally reached a place where we can eat something. Hello guys. Bhaiya,
कोई बोले तो बोले कि ये खाना है.
yeah, you guys can also use same kind of tables for your this thing. Cafe, I'm telling you. What do you want to say? Yeah, this kind of tables for your cafe.
Yeah.
Noor, you want to say something?
फ्राइड राइस
Noor, you want to say something?
नहीं राजमा चावल अच्छी.
This is our rajma, and we'll go with the taste test. What do you want to say, Didi, about the rajma rice? Okay, I'm not going to disturb you. Let me give it a taste test. Very nice. Now another bite with chutney. And here comes Tejas to try. Very nice. Some cottage cheese, some paneer. Let's make one more bite. Then this into this. And there's some cottage cheese, some chutney, red kidney beans. Very nice. Full of flavors. Approved? Approved. So, whosoever wants to visit Pide Wale Rajma at Channi, Jammu, anytime, any day. Thumbs up. Welcome again to my section of what I have ordered. I have ordered some beautiful mixed naan with rajma and salad and chutney. So now it is time to dig in and see you guys after eating. Hoi, 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 hoi. This is how you dig into this. You take butter, you dip it into the butter, then some rajma.
ये करण जौहर का ब्रांड.
Karan Johar ka brand. Very nice. Noora with her elder brother Tejas, and they are up to something that we don't know, and now they have made some joke out of something which we exactly don't know what is the joke. Guys, there has been an instance where there is a guy who we know, though we don't know him directly, but he's known to us, unfortunately, and he has done something that is not right as ethically. So now the point is, should we disclose it or not? Ladies are asking. So I said, hide another man's sin and God may forgive two of yours. So let's see. Let's see. What do you want to say? You want to say something? No, she doesn't want to say anything. So we should keep it a secret then. Yeah. It is your call, guys. Whatever you want to do. Let's go. So now we are here after having a heavy meal. It's time to have some caffeine. Our favorite place. Guys, we are unable to decide whether what to drink, what not to drink. And there's Noora. Noora, what do you want? What do you want? Iced tea?
Very flexible.
Whatever.
See what do you say?
Let me taste test the shikanji.
शिकंजी आइसटी है शिकंजी
तेरे लिए है ये। मैंने ड्यूटी कभी तो की है।
दो कंडीशन
चलो फिर मुझे भी बताएं।
Wait, wait. There's our coffee. Yippee.
Yeah.
What do you want to say, Noora? Noora is busy, and there is Noora's Masi collecting her car from the car wash. And finally, the car is looking shiny, shiny,
And neat and clean.
neat and
Clean.
neat and clean. Let's go. Finally, we had a very good time, and now we are about to reach home. So now we got to drop Tejas at his place, but Tejas wants us to, come to his home and probably have tea. But I've already, taken my cup of coffee. Look at that idiot who is driving like a maniac. Right there, Ignis. So we are here. Here is our Bruno. Hello, Bruno. In focus. 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 So, you happy with your Bruno, right?
Yes.
Good. Let's walk in. Arey, open, kholo. Finally here. And we will sit here. Under the cool AC, there is Dr. Sukhdeep, who's camera shy. So we are keeping her kind of out of focus. There is Noora and there is Devi. And say hello. तो क्या discussion है आज की? What is the discussion for today? We have found that our Tejas has got some brilliant talent. He has got very good skills. He can do a lot of sketching, as you can see. And he's just 11 years old.
12.
12? Yes. All right. And
Not good.
oh, this is modern art, guys. If anyone wants to buy this is modern art, and you can buy this by dropping me a message. And the cost of this modern art is around 1 lakh rupees. And here is Mr. Pinder playing some sort of a game which I don't know what he is up to.
guys
You should not play this kind of game.
Speedy
Speed is my day, and now I'm feeling sleepy. I want to sleep. When you get the tea, please wake me up.
Okay, guys.
Till then, guys, take care and see you guys in a bit. But I want to tell you guys that this has been my first vlog after so many short vlogs, right?
Yes.
So what we are trying to do is we are trying to create a scenario for people to follow and to save on fuel. And there comes Didi with some tea. I was feeling sleepy. And where is tea? As you can see, Ithya. And what else to say? What else should I say? That is it. And see you guys in a bit. Guys, here is my favorite food. Right here. Well guys, finally we have reached home sweet home. It's been like, actually our outing started at somewhere around 4:30 and we are back by 8:30 ish, so 8:40. So altogether a good day, full of rest, good family time and some good time outside. So we have reached home. It's time to park the car. Noora is right here. She's having her chilled iced tea, though I don't think so. Little babies are kind of a yeah, I was about to say that little babies are
चलो 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 बहुत जगह है अभी चलो चलते रहो चलते रहो चलते रहो चलते रहो चलते रहो चलते रहो और चलते रहो
that's it. So yeah, I was about to say, and I'll end the vlog, that I don't know what I was about to say, but little babies shouldn't have iced tea because it has caffeine. Once in a while is okay, once in a while, right? So that is it for today. So keep supporting Journeyman 2.0 and I'll keep sharing my whole day vlogs as what I did. And oops, it's okay Noora, it's okay, it's fine, it doesn't matter. Noora is just a car and you are precious. For me you are everything. These things don't matter at all. It's fine, it's okay, but you should try to behave properly, as in what to do, how to do, and where to do, and when to do. So guys, take care, bye bye. You want to say anything to end the vlog?
Keep following Journeyman 2.2.
Woohoo!